This 5-minute solution will show you how to log out of Twitter account on all devices. So if you're logged into your Twitter account from multiple devices, now let's see how you can how to log out of Twitter on all devices in just one click. Open your Twitter app, tap on your profile photo at the top left, tap on Settings and Support, tap on Security and Account Access, tap on Apps and Sessions, tap on Sessions, and here you will get this option, Log out of all other sessions option. So to log out of Twitter on all devices, tap on Log out of all other sessions, log out, and that's how we can log out of Twitter on all devices in one click. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.